Are you spending hours brainstorming, second guessing, or even abandoning your content ideas because you are worried that they are not perfect? Stop right there. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to stop overthinking your content and actually just following on with what works. Overthinking is one of the biggest barriers to success for content creators. And here is the truth. You don't have to, do something new all the time. You can actually do what actually works for others. If you see people's videos, going viral, you see success somewhere, you can actually recreate that. You don't have to be the one doing something new all by yourself at all times. Just focus on what's already working for others in your niche. So if you're ready on this very video, let's just get started. The first tip is to look at your own analytics. Check your app and see what is working for you. Check out your best performing videos. Check out the videos that are not even performing well. This will help you to know the kind of videos that you should recreate on your channel. So when you check your analytics, check what is working. Check the style. Check the title. Check the format you used. Whatever it is in that video that is making it to do well, just double down your efforts on it. It simply means that your audience is telling you this is the kind of thing they love to watch. And to actually succeed, you need to give your audience exactly what they love to watch. The second tip is to study your niche. So look at people in your niche. What are they doing that is gaining traction? What are they doing that is really working well for them? It could be a trending topic. It could be a specific style in what they are doing, or a catchy title, style that they are using. You can use their success to get inspiration to recreate that particular thing that is working for them. This will go a long way to help you. Execution beats perfection. If you spend all your time thinking about what to do, there are some times that I'm in this fix that I'm wondering, what can I create? Sometimes it feels like you don't really have idea of what to do next. It feels like you are overwhelmed, like you don't know the next thing to do. I just go to creators in my niche and I see what is working for them. I get ideas from them. You could get up to 10, 20 people in your niche. Check out their best performing videos and recreate it. It's as simple as that. So when you're lost for ideas and you simply don't know what to do, this is a tip for you to understand that there is no reason why you should not keep creating. There is no reason why you should not keep creating. All you need to do is go into these people's channels that you know are doing well. 10 to 20 of them. Check out their good performing videos and recreate. I didn't say copy word for word. Recreate, make it unique, make it your own style. Add to it, you can remove from it. Just make it your own original content. This helps and this works a whole lot. I've tried it several times and it works. It actually works. So if you spend all the whole time overthinking, you will miss the opportunity to connect more with your audience. Post that video, even if it feels imperfect, because you can always tweak it as you go along the way, but you can never improve something you have never started. So you just have to get on with it. Another tip is to stay consistent. I always preach consistency. Since I figured out what exactly I wanted to do, I'm really grateful that I have been consistent. And I want you to be consistent as well. Consistency is key. Consistency does a lot of things for you. It brings in new audience to you. It makes your videos to be more visible onto others, because the more you post, the more you're telling the algorithm, I'm here for it. And it will keep pushing your content. Before you know it, new people will come, they will see your channel, they will comment on your post. Before you know it, your videos will start gaining traction. Before you know it, your views will be becoming a lot. It will keep increasing by the day. So consistency is very key on this YouTube space. So consistency matters than just one-time post. When you post once in a week or once in 2 weeks, because you are trying to make that content seriously perfect. Consistency. Posting 3, 4, 5 times a week is better than having just that one post that you consider to be very perfect and well thought out. Because at the end of the day, even that one video you have posted, the views remains at that. But when you post more, you get more views as you post. Also, you get better in what you are doing. You get better in your scripting. You get better in your editing. You get better in your ideas. You get better in your style. There's a lot of things improving with you, even as you choose to stay consistent. Showing up regularly builds trust with your audience. People want to see the real you. They want to see the authentic you. They prefer to see your imperfections really than even to see a planned out or thought out video. So just keep posting. Just keep posting. But to wrap up this video, I would say stop overthinking your video. Start posting. Look at what is working for you. Look at what is working for others in your niche and start recreating. 2024 is coming to an end and we are going into a new year. If you have not monetized your channel, start creating. Start live streaming. Start, looking at what is working for you and start imputing them. Focus on your strengths and see what works for you. So if this video has been helpful to you, if it resonates with you, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments if you are overthinking your content and if this video has really helped you. Please subscribe for more growth tips like this. And also, if you've seen a video up here, please do well to watch it. That's going to help you a whole lot. Have an amazing day, beautiful people, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.